We had the official Dreams Elite Motorsports pop-up meet, man. Advance, a little 5-hour advance, you know. Had to see the turnout for the day. Excuse me. Appreciate it. Really was a last second thing. Posted maybe about 4 or 5 hours. We're doing it at 10:30. It's about 10:50 right now. Let y'all see what's going on. You know, we got the Shelby just chilling. It's always gonna be around. We got everybody chilling over there. Getting the parking lot lit up. Mr. Bulldog, owner of Bulldog Camaro. We out here. What's up, homie? What's going on with you, dog?
Boy got the goddamn epilepsy monster.
Yeah, just had to bring it out. What's up, homie? What's going on with you, dog? Just a little something. Early shit. My boy Joker, my bad, bro. I ain't mean to get in the way. My boy Joker in this bit. Early shit. It's a nice little turnout, man. We got them boys rolling in now. What's up, dog? Q in the motherfucking building.
Oh, yeah,
what's up, dog?
Bro, you already know.
Yes, sir. What's up, dog? What's going on with you, bro? Everything good? Yes, sir. First gens matter. They do matter. We got the clean night right on there. What's up, homie? See that shit from across the motherfucking parking lot right there. Shit! Oh shit, YouTube. Look who we got fucking lurking in the grapevines. Man, look what I pulled up, man. We got a celebrity in the building. Oh shit.
Shit up, bro.
My boy Bad Hemi.
Yes, sir.
Checking in for the YouTube, man. What going on?
Man, ain't nothing else just out here in these streets saying what it do, what it do.
Yes, sir. Show stopping everywhere you go. Yeah. Appreciate everybody coming out to the pop-up meet. This sexy ass motherfucker right here. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right, my dog. We got a night show in the motherfucking building. My dog. Appreciate you coming through, dog. For sure, for sure. Drive safe, homie. Peace out.